reverse parking alarm. Parking a car in congested parking lots and tiny spaces is a tedious job, and the important thing is that you must be very careful while reversing, so that you do not damage your car or the adjacent one. Almost all modern cars are equipped with reverse parking sensors that are activated when the car is put in reverse gear, and beep at variable rate, depending on the distance between the car and the closest obstacle. In this tutorial, we will see how to make a reverse parking alarm using Arduino and ultrasonic sensor. This is the circuit diagram of our project. We have connected the positive terminal of buzzer with Arduino's pin number 11. Negative terminal of buzzer is connected to the ground pin of Arduino. Ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins: VCC, ground, trigger, and echo. Echo pin is connected with pin number 10 of Arduino. Trigger pin is connected with pin number 9. VCC pin is connected with the 5-volt pin, and ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. This is the code of our project. We have connected the trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor at pin number 9 of Arduino. We have connected the echo pin of ultrasonic sensor at pin number 10 of Arduino. We have connected the buzzer at pin number 11 of Arduino. Now we have declared 2 variables, duration and distance. These variables will store the output reading of the sensor. Void setup is a function in which we define which pin we want to use as an input pin and which pin to use as an output pin. In this project, we will give high or low signals to the trigger pin of sensor connected at pin number 9 of Arduino. So we will make pin number 9 an output pin. We will read the status of echo pin of sensor connected at pin number 10 of Arduino. So we will make pin number 10 an input pin. We will give high or low signals to the buzzer. So we will make pin number 11 an output pin. Void loop. This function will run over and over again. So whatever we write inside it will repeat forever. Now we will give a 10 microseconds high to low pulse at the trigger pin of sensor. This pulse will transmit the sound waves in the environment. For doing this, we will first make the trigger pin low, then we will wait for 2 microseconds. Now we will make the trigger pin high and wait for 10 microseconds. Then we will make the trigger pin low. Now we will read the status of the echo pin. When the reflected sound waves will received by the sensor, then sensor will give a high signal at its echo pin. This function will calculate the time duration between transmitted and received sound wave. As we know that the speed of sound is approx 340 meter per second. By using this speed and time, we can calculate the distance between sensor and the reflecting object. In this project, the sound waves are reflecting from the obstacle behind the car. If the distance between car and the object is less than 10 centimeters, then buzzer will start beeping, otherwise buzzer will remain off. Delay function will generate the delay. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Now we will take a 5-volt buzzer. We will connect a red wire with its positive terminal and black wire with its ground terminal. Cover the joints with insulation tape to avoid any shorting between its 2 terminals. Connect red, black, yellow, and green wires at VCC, ground, trigger and echo pins of the sensor respectively. Connect the red wire of sensor with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, yellow wire with pin number 9, and green wire at pin number 10 of Arduino. Connect the positive terminal of buzzer with Arduino's pin number 11. Connect the negative terminal of buzzer with the ground pin of Arduino. Now we will power up our circuit and test its functionality. We can see, as we put the object behind the car, at the distance less than 10 centimeters, buzzer starts beeping. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project, or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.